Hi guys, and welcome to our crib.
Girl, I didn't know you would get down like that, like that, down like that. Girl, I didn't know you would get down like that, like that, down like that.
So guys, welcome to our crib, and this is the hallway. It's quite a big hallway. We have a lot of space, and when you first enter, you have this little intercom, so people can buzz up when they want to pull up. So when they call, we can just let them in. We don't want, strangers and things like that. It's really convenient because we live in a high rise, so we don't want to be going up and down. So yeah, really convenient intercom. And then when you come in, you have Granny's bedroom here. So I'm not going to go into there because you guys can watch that in the description box. I'm going to link her apartment tour so you can see all of that. And on this door, we have our main bathroom, which is absolutely stunning. So come through. So as you can see, this bathroom is marble, which I'm sorry, but this is my Pinterest goals. I was looking at my other apartment tour, my first apartment tour, which I absolutely loved, but I feel like this is my dream bathroom. Like, it's marble, it's white, it's just a little bit of made bag. It also has this stunning waterfall. I think it's called a waterfall shower head. It's a double shower head. It has a bathtub, so it's just perfect. We also have this large, extra large mirror that, so if you get ready in the morning, then you just look cute. And the light is so good. Like, we have white spotlights throughout the whole apartment, which is unreal. So that's the bathroom, and then we have the storage cupboard, which is huge, and it's so convenient because me and Grant have a lot of stuff. So very, very handy. So yeah, come through to the living room, honey. Wait, just take a deep breath first of all. Breathe. So come through the living room. Ta-da, baby!
Get into it.
Let's get into this living room, okay? Where do I begin? Okay, so first of all, we have this stunning countertop, white and grey theme, very much just our vibe. We could not believe we found this so last minute. This is like our dream apartment. So yeah, we have obviously a matching toaster and kettle. We have so much storage in these drawers. They all slide out, and it's just so convenient that you don't have to open and then bend down. It's just slide out. We have an integrated fridge. I don't know if this is very tiny, but we just moved in, okay? So integrated fridge and freezer, which I absolutely love. Spotlights underneath. And then, honey, we got an island. Obviously, we couldn't go to different islands in 2020, so we just got ourselves an island.
Period.
Living with the island,
Period.
It's got an oven. It's got an induction hob. I'm sorry, but we tried to cook the other day, and normal pots don't work on this hob, so we actually have to get special pots, which is a lot. But that's just how
we be living now.
So yeah, it has an oven under here, and we got a little wine cooler.
Oh,
Got a little wine cooler. I mean, there's probably gonna be a lot of Coca-Cola, a lot of Pepsi, a lot of Rubicon vibes in there. But it's just such a vibe. I love that it has a huge window over here, so it just brings in lots of natural light. It's been grey the past few days, but I can't wait till we have sun and we can see this apartment in its full potential. So we're gonna move on to the main living room. Come with me. Just stunning. It's got this super gorgeous couch that is just like a pop color in our apartment. Obviously, it's very neutral white greys, but it's really nice that there is a beautiful velvet green couch. Okay, so this wall we're gonna put our TV on. We just moved in, so we still have to get a few bits and bobs, so make sure you subscribe so you can see the updates that we do to this apartment, the prints, and like the little bits of furniture. It's gonna be good vibes. So yeah, huge living room, like so big and spacious, and it's just so inspiring. Like in the morning I just wake up and I'm just like, whoa, like how is this our lives? It's amazing. This is my favorite part of the apartment. Like, it's got these two huge windows in the living room, so it lets in amazing light, and it can literally oversee our city, which is just key super cute. This is the view at night, guys. How unreal is this view? It's absolutely stunning.
Get into it, get into it, get into it.
Let's get into it. This view, baby. Oh my god, it's actually unreal. It's just the night views for me, honey. And yeah, I'm so obsessed with this view. We also actually have a concierge and coffee lounge where residents can get free coffee, which is just amazing. And the gym, so baby girl's about to get snatched this year.
Let's go.
No excuses. Like, just 10 out of 10 service across the board, you know what I mean? So yeah, just make sure to subscribe and follow along our journey. But when it's open, it's closed because of COVID, but when it's open, we'll show you guys all of that. So make sure to subscribe. And yes, I literally have so many Pinterest saved pictures that look like this, and I'm just like, well, I can't believe that we actually live here. But yeah, so lastly, I'm gonna bring you to the bedroom, my bedroom. Also, obviously, I'm living with Grandy, so you can see her bedroom on her tour, and I'll leave it in the description box. Here is my bedroom. Ta-da! So this is my bedroom. I absolutely love it. The bed is just so gorgeous. I love that it's a pop of color again. Blue is literally my favorite color. Very much grown looks, do you know what I mean? And I'm obsessed. This is my dressing table. I literally DIY'd this, guys. These two dresses came with the apartment, and I just put this glass top on it, and then all of a sudden we have a cute little dresser. So actually that's a great hack, because the Ikea one that I was looking at was sold out, so this is very handy. I have these cute Desenio prints. You guys know I love Desenio. These little cute candles from Allura Candles. I've got this dressing mirror that I got for Christmas, and it's just so handy because there's no natural light here. So this mirror brings in actually really good light. I'll actually link it in the description because it's one of the best ones that I've seen, and it's really affordable. Mirror, and I'm gonna get a nice little velvet chair, velvet and gold chair here, just to tie in all the vibes. Another thing that I absolutely love is the huge window that oversees the city. It's actually been so inspiring waking up to this stunning view every day. And yeah, so then we have this section here, which is where I keep my huge Ikea mirror. This, I'll link it because I always get so many questions about this. And I have my rail where I'm gonna be getting ready in the morning. It's so good. In your pictures and stuff, it looks like an infinity mirror, so I'll definitely link it for you guys. Have another little print from here and from Desenio, and I have this gorgeous vase and pampas grass. This pampas was actually from Primark, would you believe? It was like £2.50 a stem, which is so good because everywhere else is like at least £8, and you know, we got bills to pay, so we need to get those bargains. Okay, so on this side I have this rail which just keeps my extra coats, cute little aesthetic vibes. So yeah, that's that. And then I have an ensuite bathroom in this room, so come through. Like all the doors are white, so it's just like a nice continuation. I hate brown doors, brown things, so this is just 10 out of 10. So this bathroom of dreams, it's also marble like the main bathroom, and the mirror is humongous. It's perfect for getting ready in the mornings. It actually brings in a lot of good light, but I have this which I found on Amazon. I'll also link it. It's so convenient because the spotlights are above me, like it casts like a little shadow. So I have this light that I put on here, and it's literally like a magnet, so you just slot it on there. And then it adds extra light when you're getting ready, so it's only like 20 quid, so I'll link that as well below. Similar vibes to the other bathroom. The sink is gorgeous, and we have a heated towel rail which is super cute. The shower also has the waterfall head, which is vibes, even though nobody's getting their hair wet, honey. We're 4C out here, so won't be using that very often. So that's the end of the tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys for your support last year, because obviously without all you guys' support I would not be in this position. So I'm so grateful. Shout out to God. God is so good, even in the midst of the pandemic. Like, it's still coming through for us, so I'm so grateful. Make sure to subscribe and follow our little escapades in this apartment. We're gonna be having a lot of fun in here, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Girl, I didn't know you